Okay, what day is it?
Day 4.
Day 4.
Open it.
Go ahead.
Only eraser.
Are you disappointed?
See?
Ooh, what kind of eraser is it?
Snowman.
Cool. And maybe all. Alright, can you sing a Christmas song?
No.
Can you say Santa Claus is coming to town?
No.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Yes.
Can you say Merry Christmas? Can you sing Fat Little Snowman? Okay, well, can you say bye-bye?